Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Chalk. Thank you for joining me today. I have a really simple project for today, but real quick, I do want to share this video with my peeps, my VIP peeps. So if you don't know what it means to be one of my VIP peeps, or maybe I should just call them VIP peeps. That's funny. Okay, if you don't know what that means, comment VIP below, because if you don't know what that means you're not in my VIP group. And you need to be in my VIP group because it's awesome. And you know why it's awesome? Because I, in my VIP group, I do giveaways, I do specials, I do deals, I do bundle packs, I do all sorts of stuff that you can't get on my other page, that you can't get on this page, the business page. You can't get it on my personal page. You can only get those deals in the VIP group. So that's why you want to be in that group, so that you can get access to all those deals. I did just post my VIP promos for April. I posted that in the VIP group yesterday. So again, if you're not in the VIP group, then you won't see those promos for April. Okay? So yeah, I just posted the April promos, and I actually am starting a monthly newsletter. So if you want to get that monthly newsletter, which contains like all the events, all the how you can book a pop-up shop, how you can do a virtual party, how you can do all types of stuff. So if you want to get on that mailing list, go ahead and either put your email below. If you don't want to put it on these comments, you can go ahead and just direct message it to me so that I can add you to the mailing list for that, so that you can get that. It's got all the good stuff in it. If I've got any like deals going on, that's in it too. You will be hearing my baby in the background. She's being super chatty right now. She's just chatting away. We've had a very adventurous morning. So because of that, we are going to be doing a project today that has to do with adventure. So give me 1 second. I am getting us all set, and let me move this. Okay. We're good to go. So we are going to do The Adventure Begins. I thought that was appropriate for today because I really felt like I was on an adventure this morning. So, as most of you know, if you don't know, or if you're just joining me for the first time, I am an Army veteran. So I have Veterans Affairs healthcare. So, are you okay, baby? Are you okay? Hang on 1 second. There you go. There you go, baby. Okay, so I have Veterans Affairs healthcare, and it's really annoying because I have to drive all the way to the VA hospital anytime I need to go to a doctor's appointment. So let's say I have a cold. I'm not going to go to the doctor because, well, I wouldn't go to the doctor anyways, but because it's an hour and 45 minutes away from me to get there. Yeah, to get to the VA hospital in downtown DC takes me an hour and 45 minutes. And if I have an 8 o'clock appointment like I had this morning, yeah, that's a nightmare. Because everyone and their mother is trying to get somewhere by 8 o'clock in DC. So I found this cute little sign, and it does have like a detail on it no big deal, because we're going to talk over it. So I'm going to put the Adventure Begins right on top of here. And I don't need to fuzz it because, wait, I need to move it up a little. I don't need to fuzz it because this is actually kind of like a canvasy surface. So anyhow, yeah. So I have to go all the way to downtown DC if I ever want to see a doctor. So God forbid I need anything. God forbid I have to go to the emergency room. I would like die before I get there. And it's just such a hassle. I hate driving downtown DC. It's literally like the roads are crazy. People don't know how to drive. There's so much construction. The traffic is crazy. Like I said, my appointment was at 8 a.m. So how annoying is that? Like, I'm literally fighting with all the people that are trying to go to work. And I am trying to just go to the VA hospital. And of course, when I went there today, they made me like a billion other appointments. And I'm like, ugh, I don't want to come back here. So yeah. Plus I have the baby, so I'm like carrying the baby in there. Okay, so we put this right on our surface. Super easy. You're gonna see how easy this is, that you can make like any project in like a matter of like 2 minutes. I am choosing to use, I'm gonna use this navy blue. One, because this is navy blue, the frame, and then also because I think it'll really make the design pop because of the design on the background. So I'm just gonna do this really easy, really simple project using one color, no fancy, mix of colors or ombre effects or anything like that. And I think I just shot paint on my face. Did I? I don't know. I felt it. I should wear my apron when I do this. I don't know why I don't. But anyways, so yeah, nothing fancy. This is going to be a super simple, easy project. I am stirring up my paint. I just realized that I say like every other word. So I feel like there should be like something like every time I say I don't know. Also, I forgot to mention, don't forget to share my video because I go live every day before noon, and if you share my video, you get your name dropped in a hat for a drawing. So you have up to between 5 and 7 times during the week to get your name dropped in the hat. The more times your name's dropped in the hat, the more likely that you have to win the drawing. So I think Heather shared my video every single day last week, and guess what? She won the drawing. So share my video, plus sharing my video helps support my small business and helps me be able to stay home and take care of my baby girl. So I really appreciate when you guys share my videos. Okay, so what we're doing today, like I said, just this easy peasy project. So all I gotta do with my squeegee is I get a little bit of this chalk paste right here, and I just put it on here and spread it across over the silk screen. So yeah, this is like a silk screen transfer, and you just slap it on there. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be an artist. All you have to do is be able to slap paint on a surface. So you just want to make sure that the whole silk screen is covered, all the white space, basically, because that's everything that your chalk paste is going to go through. So you just want to make sure that all that's covered. So that's what I'm doing right now, covering this whole thing. And then once we cover everything, I'm going to go over it with my squeegee and remove any excess, any excess chalk paste, because you see how thick I'm putting it on right now. One of the reasons I'm doing that is because I want to make sure it all gets covered, because I can start spreading it to cover other parts of but the other reason I'm doing that is because I don't want the chalk paste to dry while the silk screen is still on here, while I'm trying to cover up the rest of it. So, because if it dries, it peels up. So, okay, so I'm going to go over it with my squeegee, and I'm going to take off any excess paste. You see how I can scrape it off and get all the excess? And then I can put that right back in my jar, which is awesome because that's how these jars of paste last me like forever. And because you're just scraping off any excess and you're literally going to put it in here and you can use it again. So I think that's really awesome. That is one thing I love about this as well. Okay, so after I finish scraping all this off, then we're going to be able to do the peel and reveal, which is my favorite part because I like saying peel and reveal. So, if you're joining me live this morning, please say hello. And if you are joining me on the replay, please type replay. And thanks for watching the replay. Again, I appreciate all your guys' support that lets me do this. Okay, so it's all scraped off. Now all we have to do is peel up our transfer and we'll have our design. Look how easy that was and how beautiful that looks. Look how cool. We just made this in like a matter of 2 seconds. Well, it would take 2 seconds if I wasn't sitting here like talking about it and stuff. But look how cute. I really love this actually. So see how quick and easy that is? Like anybody can do this. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to be, you know, like a perfectionist or anything like that. You know what you have to be able to do? Hi, Jody, how are you? You have to just be able to slap paint on a surface and spread it around. That's the extent of what you need to be able to do these projects. So that was to show you how simple this is. You could do projects simple just like that. Some people get complicated with it and do tons of different colors because we have a million different colors, which is also awesome. People get creative with it and do lots of colors and they do lots of blending and all kinds of stuff. But you don't have to do that. You can just do a project like this. Super simple and super cute. I would totally like put this up in like Ella's room or something. Shoot, I would put this in my room or my office. So cute. Anyways, really appreciate you guys joining me this morning. I know this was kind of a short video, but like I said, you're still feeling sick, aren't you, Jody? I really hope that whatever you got going on like goes away. Ooh. But anyhow, yeah, I know. Isn't it super cute? I love it. I think it's super cute, and it took like 2 seconds. What was the other thing I was going to say? Oh, yeah. So I wanted to tell you about my crazy morning because that's the reason why I'm going live afternoon today. Because, so yeah, I had an appointment at the VA hospital at 8 o'clock this morning. And so I'm fighting like everyone that's trying to go to work, getting into DC. And I hate DC traffic. I hate it. Like, it's just like one of those cities where it's just so chaotic and the streets don't make sense and there's so much construction going on. So it's like, oh, this sign says one way this way, but then there's a construction sign underneath that says, nope, we're going this way. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Aw, Jody. Yeah, you need to get better. You know what I always do if I'm feeling sick? I literally just like chug some NyQuil, knock out, and when I wake up, I feel like 100. So it's awesome. But yeah, so then I strapped Ella on me. I literally had a really quick appointment. I went there like to get a shot and that's it. So, but yeah, like, and I just got home now. So you can see how much that was an adventure this morning. It literally like took me over 2 hours to get back home. Over 2 hours to get back home. So I had Ella strapped to me. I go in there and I'm literally just thinking like they're going to give me this shot and leave. No, they want me to take a urine test. They want me to make an appointment for a month from now. They want me to do all these other things. And I'm just like, oh, good grief. Like, can anything through the VA be simple or easy? No, the VA is not like Chalk Couture, because Chalk Couture is easy and simple, and the VA is not. Oh yeah, Theraflu's good too. That's another one that I would chug. Just chug a bunch of it and go to sleep. Yeah, so then they want me to take a urine test and all that stuff. So, and I've got Ella strapped to me, you know, and she's like getting restless. She's hungry, and they want me to take a urine test, and I'm like, whatever. I'm like, well, this is going to be interesting because I'm not unstrapping her from me because I have one of those wrap things. I'm like, I'm not undoing all of this just so I can pee for 2 seconds. So I just went ahead and pulled down my pants and peed with her strapped to my chest. I was like, hey, too bad, because it took 2 seconds. Hey, baby, are you okay? Oh, she's looking upset. So yeah, that was a nightmare getting in and out of there. So I hate going to the VA, and I have another appointment next week. Shoot me. So the VA healthcare program is, I won't get into it, but it is a nightmare. But my baby needs me now. So I am going to jump off of here. Again, share my video, support my small business, get entered into the drawing, and thank you guys for joining me today. Really appreciate it, and hope to see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty then. What am I doing? Cheers!